Hello, I'd like to show you some cool things you can do with assembly patches. I have 7 different assembly patches right now on the Super Mario World ROM because I've just been messing around with this, kind of trying to make a definitive edition here. But like, let me show you this one on the overworld because it's the only one that affects it. I can press select on any place I want and it'll save right then. It's pretty cool. Okay, there's also charge jump, wall climb, that's 2 of them. If I press forward really quick, that's Kirby style running. Okay, I can shoot my fireball the regular way, or I can hold up and shoot it a little bit differently. That's upwards arc fireballs. There's also charge fireball, but it's not going to show the graphics for that correctly in here. In some places the graphics glitch, other places they work perfectly. I almost forgot to mention I'm using Timer Disabler, which completely removes the timing aspect out of the game in its entirety. Really quick, I'd like to actually show you what the charge fireball can do. That's why it's good, it goes through multiple enemies. Okay, in order to actually apply these, I'm going to have you go to whatever your favorite search engine is and type in charged jump Uber ASM. Click on the first link that comes up here. Okay, you want to scroll down to this box. This is very important. Just select all and copy. Put this in a file called gm14.asm and I'm going to show you what to do with this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is start with a clean Super Mario World USA ROM. You want to unzip it and copy this ROM over to a program called Lunar Magic. When you do that, you just want to run the program, open the ROM, and resave it. It's real simple. The reason you're going to be, okay, just click OK here. Let me show you real quick. The reason you're going to be running it through here is because the ROM is normally 512 kilobits. I don't know why it's saying 524. So what you want to do is you want to go to, save level to ROM as, I couldn't remember which one for a second. Just click OK here, leave everything default, close this, and you're going to see now that it's 1 megabyte. Okay, since this file basically has no header now, I'm going to go ahead and rename this to smw.smc, get rid of the old extension. I'm going to go ahead and copy it over to Uber ASM tool. Now, okay, that file I had you save, gm14.asm, copy that to Uber ASM tool to the game mode folder. Now, the library, you're going to need the ASM patch for that, charge jump. Okay, if you want the jump to be what I set it to, like kind of super high and buffed up more, the highest range is $80, the lowest would be $FF, so you want to go to like $8C is what I had it set to. Just click save and exit. Now go up and let's see, we've got the ROM here already. So I'm just going to edit list.txt and then we'll be ready to do the patching. Just hit enter next to game mode. Type in 14, hit some spaces, I don't think it matters how many. Type in gm14.lowercase-asm. Save the file. Now I'm going to go to command line. I'm just going to go ahead and run it. All code inserted successfully. Great, now all you want to do after this is take your ROM and just transfer it over to the ASAR folder where I've already got all the other patches. We're going to want to change a couple of defines here. You want to go into charge fire and change like this right here all the way to 0. And then save it. That way all you have to do is hold X or Y button to use it. And then Kirby styled running, you're going to want demo fix to be 1 and then XY run to be 1. I would also like to thank Pinsy for making this because I requested this on SMW Central and this is one of the nicest patches I've ever seen. It's awesome. This guy's a legendary coder. Okay, I copied the ROM over from Uber ASM tool and what I'm going to do is just patch these all at once. Well, one at a time. Gotta have both of these open so I don't forget what's what. Okay, for this one here, I did get some deprecated code error messages. Just type in yes, it'll work fine. Now, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and test it. Okay, great. Looks like that's working. Charge jump works. Upwards arc fireballs works. Charge fire works. Disable timer works. And wall climb works. I only included certain hacks to keep everything simple, like some of these are very complicated, like installing the level progress bar. You have to work with all these files, and at least this guy is nice enough to include this set of instructions, but the fact that it's using game mode 14 means that you're going to have to somehow combine this with a charge jump by appending certain things onto other things, and I'm not ready to take this on yet, but soon, because this is a really awesome one. I'll show you really quick. This is how this works. I think that's so awesome having an indicator on the bottom like that. Anyway, that's all I got for you right now, and I'm hoping to get some more of these installed soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.